Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Digital Growth Hub, and today, we're diving into something that many of you have been asking about: how to start a profitable blog and actually make money from it. Whether you're thinking about starting a blog as a side hustle or as a full-time career, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take, and the best part? It's easier than you think. Alright, let's jump into the first step. Choosing your niche. Your niche is the main topic or subject that your blog will focus on. This is where you get to combine your passions with profit potential. Think about it. What are you genuinely interested in? What do you find yourself losing track of time reading about or doing? This passion is key because you're going to be spending a lot of time creating content around this topic. But it's not just about passion, it's also about profitability. Is there an audience for your interest? Are people actively searching for information or products related to it? You want to make sure there's a market for what you're offering. A great way to validate your niche is to do some keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can show you how many people are searching for specific terms related to your niche. This gives you an idea of the demand for your content. Don't be afraid to niche down either. The more specific you are, the easier it is to target your audience and establish yourself as an authority. For example, instead of cooking, you could niche down to vegan, gluten-free desserts or quick and easy meals for busy families. Remember, your niche is not set in stone. You can always adjust and refine it as you learn more about your audience and what resonates with them. The key is to start with something you're passionate about, and that has the potential to generate income. Next up, we need to get your blog set up. Don't worry, it's easier than you think, and you don't need to be a tech expert to do it. First, you'll need a domain name. That's the web address of your blog, like www.yourblogName.com. Think of it like your online address. Try to choose a domain name that is relevant to your niche, easy to remember and catchy. You can purchase a domain name from registrars like GoDaddy or Namecheap for a relatively low cost. Once you have your domain name, you need to choose a hosting provider. Hosting is essentially the space where your blog lives on the internet. Think of it like renting a space for your blog to be accessible to everyone online. There are many hosting providers out there, but some popular options include Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. When choosing a hosting provider, consider factors like reliability, uptime, customer support, and pricing. With your domain and hosting sorted, it's time to install a content management system, CMS. WordPress is the most popular CMS, and for good reason. It's user-friendly, customizable, and there are tons of resources available if you need help. Once you've installed WordPress, you can choose a theme for your blog. The theme dictates the look and feel of your blog, so choose one that aligns with your brand and is visually appealing to your target audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different themes until you find one that you love. You can always change it later. Now, your blog is set up and you're ready to start creating amazing content. Now that your blog is set up, let's talk about content, the heart of your blog. To attract readers, you need to create valuable, high-quality content that solves problems or entertains your audience. Your content is what will keep people coming back for more. Think about what your target audience is struggling with. What questions are they asking? What information are they searching for? Your content should provide solutions, insights, or entertainment that directly addresses their needs and interests. When creating content, focus on providing value. Don't just write for the sake of writing. Offer practical tips, actionable advice, in-depth analysis, or engaging stories that resonate with your audience. Make sure your content is well-researched, accurate, and informative. Use credible sources and back up your claims with data or examples. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality and unique voice. People connect with authenticity, so let your personality shine through in your writing. Make your content visually appealing by using high-quality images, videos, or infographics. Visual content can help break up long blocks of text and make your content more engaging. Consistency is key when it comes to blogging. Aim to publish new content on a regular schedule, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This helps you build a loyal following and keeps your audience engaged. Promote your content on social media, email lists, and other channels to reach a wider audience. The more people you can get your content in front of, the more traffic you'll drive to your blog. Now, your blog is up and running and you've got some amazing content. But how do you get people to actually visit your site? That's where traffic comes in. And no, you don't need to pay for ads to get started. One of the most effective ways to drive traffic to your blog is through search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages, also known as CRPs. Start by doing keyword research to identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for. Use these keywords naturally throughout your blog posts, including in your titles, headings, and body text. Build high-quality backlinks to your blog by guest posting on other websites in your niche, participating in online communities, and reaching out to other bloggers for collaboration opportunities. Promote your blog posts on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Share snippets, quotes, or visuals from your posts, and include a link back to your blog. Engage with your followers on social media by responding to comments, asking questions, and participating in relevant conversations. This helps you build relationships and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Consider running contests or giveaways to incentivize people to visit your blog and share your content. This can be a great way to generate buzz and attract new readers. Collaborate with other bloggers or influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. You can co-create content, promote each other's work, or participate in joint ventures. Remember, driving traffic to your blog takes time and effort. There's no overnight solution, but by consistently implementing these strategies, you'll see a steady increase in your blog's visibility and readership. Okay, now we get to the fun part. How do you actually make money from your blog? There are a few proven methods for monetizing a blog, and here are some of the most popular. One of the most common ways to monetize a blog is through display advertising. You can sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense, which will display ads on your blog that are relevant to your content and audience. You earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. Affiliate marketing is another popular method for monetizing a blog. This involves promoting other companies' products or services on your blog and earning a commission for every sale that you generate through your unique affiliate link. If you have your own products or services, you can sell them directly on your blog. This could include ebooks, courses, coaching services, or physical products. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your blog. This involves partnering with brands to create sponsored content that promotes their products or services. Membership sites are a great way to generate recurring revenue from your blog. You can create a members-only area on your blog that offers exclusive content, resources, or community features to paying subscribers. Consider offering coaching or consulting services related to your niche. If you've established yourself as an expert in your field, people will be willing to pay for your knowledge and guidance. Don't be afraid to experiment with different monetization methods to find what works best for your blog and audience. The key is to diversify your income streams so that you're not reliant on just one source of revenue. Finally, to really turn your blog into a profitable business, you need to focus on scaling. This means growing your audience, expanding your content, and diversifying your revenue streams. Continue to create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Experiment with different content formats, such as videos, podcasts, or infographics, to keep your audience engaged. Build an email list by offering a valuable lead magnet, such as a free ebook or checklist. Your email list is a valuable asset that allows you to directly communicate with your audience and promote your products or services. Expand your social media presence by creating profiles on relevant platforms and consistently sharing engaging content. Consider running social media ads to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in your niche to cross-promote your content and reach a larger audience. Guest post on other blogs, participate in podcasts, or host webinars to get your name and brand out there. Invest in paid advertising such as Google Ads or social media ads to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your blog. Start with a small budget and gradually increase it as you see results. Attend industry events and conferences to network with other bloggers, learn from experts, and stay up to date on the latest trends. Continuously analyze your blog's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Track your traffic, engagement metrics, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Remember, scaling your blog is an ongoing process that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing online landscape. So there you have it, the step-by-step process to start a profitable blog and monetize it. It may take some time to see results, but with consistency and dedication, you can absolutely make it happen. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your blogs out there making money.